This is the automatic fader, 4 nozzles. The working processing of this machine is when 4 pairs is here, this sensor with the black is to detect pairs here. So this sensor is fixed at the position of the 4th pair from right to left. So when this sensor gets signal, the machine will start to release pairs into the fader. This is a blocker. This is a blocker as well. And this is a sensor. So when this sensor has signal, at the meantime, this black sensor has signal, the machine will start release. And this sensor is detect the standing stick for counting. So totally it counts 4 pairs. And the pairs will be released into the fader one by one by the blocker here. So when 4 pairs get inside the fader, each weight sensor will detect if there's pair under the nozzle or not by weight. So if the weight is in the range, the machine will start to fill product automatically. The nozzles will go down into the pair. So when the nozzle goes down into the pair, the nozzle will raise up step by step. The raising up time and the raising up when to raise up can be set on the screen. I will show you this later when we talk about the program. And on each nozzle there is a cylinder to control the nozzle up and down. And on the air cylinder there are 3 sensors. This one is on the top, this one is in the middle, and in the bottom there is another one. So when the nozzle going down to the bottom, the lower sensor will have signal, and the valve will open to release product. And then the nozzle will moving up step by step. The middle sensor is for protection in case you have improper setting, like the nozzle will go over the pairs, the product could be spread out. So the middle sensor is for protection. That means if you have improper setting, this sensor is the first condition. It has the priority to avoid the nozzle. It's to avoid the nozzle going beyond the pairs. So as now the nozzle, when it's feeding the nozzle, it's about at its position. is about its position. If you want to know the moving up a little bit, you can adjust this sensor a little bit up. And this valve is 3 working position. It's fully open and small open. That means when fully open, the product is filled with high speed, and when the weight is approaching to the target weight, the valve will switch to half open to make the product releasing speed slower to get good accuracy. And after the four weight is reached to the target weight, here we have sensor. The black one is to this reflector. When this sensor has no signal, the feeder will release pairs out one by one, and when these two sensors, the black one and this black one has signal, the machine will release new pairs into the feeder automatically for next cycle.